Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. So in this video I want to show you guys my normal morning routine as a stay-at-home mom when I'm pregnant and also with a toddler. So the first thing I do is just check out how my daughter is doing because she's just sleeping right next to me. So after that I just pick up my phone and check like what's going on social media. I check my WhatsApp, I check my YouTube channel, I check my Instagram, all those social media platforms and see what's really going on in the entire platform. So normally that's what I do in the morning. I also end up checking my WhatsApp and see what's going on my WhatsApp, replying to some messages, and also sometimes I even end up even playing like one episode of a game that I like so much. Especially right now I'm pregnant, I think I have a thing for that game. It's called Incredible Jack. So sometimes that's what happens in the morning. So after that I give my daughter a kiss and then I wake up very slowly because guys, I'm pregnant. I do it so that I can avoid abdominal pain. So then I really take my water, and I know I'm making that face because sometimes I feel like the water really tastes bad, especially in the morning. But this is just something I must do thing in the morning, and I must ensure that I finish the whole glass of water. I know it looks disgusting, so now I need to breathe up, I need to breathe in, I need to breathe out because sometimes when you're pregnant you get exhausted just because of sleeping. Then I pray. I don't leave my bed without praying. So this is what I do in the morning. So guys, I know you guys can see that the room is so dark, but it is because I've not even opened the windows, I've not opened the door. Sorry for that. So the next thing I do is to open up my curtains since I'm up, so that I can give the room more lighting. I love this room because it has lighting, really good lighting. So after that I just like stretch my bed, not making my bed because my daughter is still sleeping there. So I'm just checking out how she's doing and also spreading my bed and checking how things are going. And also need to arrange my window. God, this window of mine has so many things. So this is something I do every day, arranging the window. And anyway, I can't complain because sometimes it's all my fault that that window really looks like that. So after I'm done with that, I just come to these clothes. These are clothes that are in the house everywhere. So now I sort out my clothes. These are clothes, some of them are not dirty, some of them are just clothes that we probably wanted to wear but we didn't end up wearing them. So some of them, most of them are not dirty. So that's why I'm sorting them out to check out which ones I should take off from that karai and which one I should not. So I'm sorting this out. My husband leaves very early in the morning, so normally this is something that I must do in the morning because these clothes are everywhere, even on the floor. So guys, the room is actually well arranged now. I think it actually looks like a room. I've not made my bed yet because my daughter is sleeping there. So probably I could show you her. Oh, look at her, she's so cute sleeping. So I'm just gonna like go and do other things as she sleeps. So when she wakes up I'm just gonna make my bed, and I think the room looks okay. So that's actually the first thing I do, is to make up my room, then I'll go and do other things. So let's go do that. So guys, this is what happened when we woke up, and she just woke up and she was like, "Mommy, come." So she needed a cuddle, so I was happy to do it, and because she's my child. So this is normally what we do in the morning. Yeah, and then she will just like end up sleeping. No, she didn't end up sleeping, so I was like, "Are you gonna wake up right now?" And she's like, "Yes, no." So I didn't know what probably she wanted, but she really had to because we needed to do some stuff. We needed to cook breakfast and all those things. So guys, the first thing we do is just give her a warm and long hug and ask her how her night was. Then this will give me the opportunity to actually change her because she has really messed up. So I just need to remove her clothes, remove her diaper, and change her to other fresh and clean clothes. I also need to just put her sweater on because this morning is such a cold morning. It is so chilly, so I need to put that on. I need to make her as warm as possible. So guys, now we're gonna put on her sweater on because this is really a chilly morning. It is so cold, I don't know why. So now I'm going to put her sweater on. So that is what I do, imagine. When I wake up, so I'm gonna put her sweater on, and I think she's looking fine, and she has already had a great night. So I'm just going to put her sweater on, and since it is so cold, she also need a kofia, rather a cape. So I'm gonna like put that on her. She's laughing, she's wondering, oh my god, why am I doing that? So since she already messed up my bed, so I really need to change the sheets now. So I'm going to remove my bed sheets. And I don't know why when they come and sleep on your bed, that's the time they're gonna mess up. So I'm just going to change it, and she's gonna help me. So sometimes we do make the bed together. I start on the other side and she does on the other side. So that is what we do. So guys, after that, the next thing that we do is clean our faces, me and her. So we go to the bathroom and clean our faces. Yeah, together. I just like doing this together with her so that she does not feel like, oh, mommy tells me to do this and she to do this and she does not do it. So normally we do it together. Then the next step is actually to brush our teeth. So that is basically what we do in the morning. When we come from bed, we make our bed, then we go clean our faces and brush our teeth. So that is our normal routine. So guys, I'm not a night person, so I'm kind of like a morning person. I know there's some people who like doing their stuff at night and in the morning they just have an easy time. So for me, I can do it in the morning. So normally I do it in the morning. So right now I'm cleaning my utensils. This is what I'm doing in the morning. Last night's utensils, last dinner's utensils, or rather the supper jar. So this is what I do in the morning. The first thing when I step into my kitchen, I first clean it up because of course I left it messy. So guys, now I am preparing breakfast. So apparently we are not the only people here. So this is the bread. I've already applied butter on the bread. So the next thing I want to do now is to cook eggs for everyone. My three sisters are here with me, so I'm just cooking the eggs and the bread. That's just the basic breakfast that you're going to take: eggs, bread, and just mea tea. That is just a simple breakfast that we're gonna prepare. Only one. So normally my daughter likes coming and helping me, so I like teaching how to do small things. She likes knowing, so there's nothing I can really do about it. So she's just cooking her egg. She told me, oh mom, can I help you to cook an egg? Tell her, yeah, come cook your own egg. So that's why she's so excited. Yeah, she helps me do it sometimes, and say I'm just telling her to say hi, and she's doing that. So we're gonna check if it's doing well. So now here she is. She's like telling me, oh, let me do it, and I'm like, okay, just go ahead and do it. So guys, I'm sure you can see that that pan really looks awful. I cooked something in it and it got burnt. So since I've been washing it, it has not been coming off. So you guys can probably comment what I can use to actually remove this, because it does not look so nice. So but anyway, I don't have any other, so this is just what I'm going to work with, so don't mind that. So I think it's really good to actually teach your kids small things. Just comment down below and tell me what you think about it.